Hello everyone, I am Anurag Jaiswal. In this video I am going to discuss about paper 3, that is GS2. There are 5 main topics. Let's discuss one by one. First topic is governance. In this aspect of governance means participatory, responsive, effective and efficient type of government. Transparency and accountability you can understand by one word only, RTI, that you can question to the government on their expenses. E-governance means promoting most of the things to online, like direct benefit of transfer of money to your bank account. For example, Narega wages transferred to your bank account. Next is citizen charter. It means solving the problem which a citizen meets daily in their life while dealing with public organization. Next is politics. In this, parliament, state legislature, emergency provision, citizenship and many more. So we will discuss in my next coming videos. Separation of power means organ of government, that there are 3 organs: executive, judiciary, legislature. Structure of executive means Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Council of Ministers. These are structures and as well as they are working in functions also. In judiciary, Supreme Court, High Court, appointment of Chief Justice of India, High Court judge appointment. Now we will see bodies in India. So bodies are like Niti Aayog, Finance Commission, CAG, CBI. So there are statutory body, quasi judicial bodies. So you will see. Policy means scheme of Indian government, like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Make in India, Atal Pension Yojana, etc. Next is constitution. In this, history means from British to making of constitution and reform and changes till date. Comparison means you have to compare Indian constitution with others country. Like some countries are unwritten constitution, some countries have federal structure. So we have to compare. Next is preamble. Preamble is an important part of constitution because it is the introduction of constitution. So you have to read this. Now next topic is social justice. So I will explain in this few lines that you will able to understand. This is the idea that all the member of society deserve an equal in term of opportunity, political right and distribution of wealth and privilege, so that they can feel their lives and realize their potential in their community. For this, government is running various schemes like free coaching for various sections and many more schemes are going on. Now you have to read issue with this sector like health, education, poverty, hunger. There are so many issues with social sector, so you have to read that. Now next topic is international relation. In this you should see the world news relating to India and various summit happening in the world, and India is participating in that. And if somewhere any part of the country world government is changing, so what effect will come on India? All this you have to read and see. The next, you have to remember the world institutions like World Bank, IMF, BRICS and others institutions. Now we'll see books for this paper. These are the books and website you should follow for this paper. In my next video I will discuss about history of Indian Constitution. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.